So guys, welcome to YouTube dance channel. My name is Teoluckzboom. I do dance challenges for you guys. So this video will be in portrait form, guys. So currently we're dancing on this Roma dance challenge, Roma training song. But it was done by a little boy. Yeah, actually it was done by a little boy. And the boy just like small. I'll play the video. I think you should have seen the video right here. It's Roma song Allonsy. Allonsy do, Allonsy do, Allonsy do, Allonsy do, Allonsy do, Allonsy do. So just something like basically just do they come to the screen, they do wide, they open your leg wide, close, open leg wide, close. So something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just do hands forward, wide, close, wide, close. While your body will be moving like this side. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Allonsy. There goes 1, 2, 3. Go. Let's go. 5. Let's go about this. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, in case you are here, can you subscribe down below for me? Like this video, guys. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas in advance, guys, and Happy New Year, guys. So let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is slow mo, guys. It's slow mo for you guys. It's slow mo. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go. 1, 2, 3. Then you do 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Is this popular than I was training, guys? So you open it, guys. Just open, close, open, close. So it's 3, open, 1, close. Something like that, guys. Let's go for it. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, let's go one more time. One more time, guys. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Allonsy, 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 Allonsy. Rema is dropping trending beats, guys, back to back, guys, back to back. Rema is dropping trending beats. So this song is for December lifestyle, guys. For us to cruise in the December lifestyle, Christ. Cruising things, guys. Let's go. Allonsy, 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 Allonsy. Do. 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel that in that step here. Just add. That's if you're doing that step by yourself, guys. Feel that in that step. Let's go one more time here. I want to dance. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, in case you are still new here, kindly subscribe down below for me, guys. Like this video, share it to your friends and family, guys. Let's do that Allonsy dance one more time, guys. Allonsy dance, guys, one more time. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Allonsy, Allonsy. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you very much for watching this, staying up to the end. In case you are not subscribed, please, and you can subscribe down below for me. like this video, and comment what you think in the comment section. Comment in the comment section. And once more, complete of the season. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And don't forget to watch my 2 videos over here. But also my videos in my channel, so learn to dance, guys, and you'll be loading it. And remember, I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. Allonsy. Comment what dance you want to see, and I'll let you guys know. It's my next video. Peace.